Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how I set up my 3x3 speed cubes. So first I take my cube apart, then I sort my pieces. Here I have my center caps, here is my core, and here are my edge pieces, and here are my corner pieces. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to clean them all. So here I get a paper towel, get the corner, and wipe all the lube off and all the dirt so it's clean everywhere. Now I've finished my corners, next I'm going to clean my edges. So the way I'm cleaning this is first I just wipe off all the lube I can get off with the paper towel, and after I go into the tracks there and try to get the lube out there. If lube and dust is still stuck in your tracks, you can clean it with a toothbrush. So the next step is to assemble the cube. Now that I have my cube assembled, I'm going to see how it feels, so I will know how to adjust it. Now that I have all of my center caps off again, I'm going to mess around with the dual adjustment system and see which settings I like the most. So my settings here are 0, I don't know if you can see that, and my cube is like about this loose on all the sides. So now I can put my center caps back, and after that I'll take out a piece so I can lube it, the cube. So here I took out an edge and the corner, and I'm going to lube them first with this Gravitas lube, and then after with DNM 37. I'll get like this much of Gravitas and put it in here into the tracks of the edge piece, like that, and then on the other side as well. And then spread it all over the edge piece. Like that. I'll get the corner piece and just lube it here on that part, on the tracks, with the leftover from the edge piece. Now I'll put the pieces back and break the gravitas in. Okay, so now I'll take out another edge in the corner. And loop them with DNM 37. So I'll put some here on the tracks. Spread that all around the piece. Now I'll put this piece back. Loop the corner. I'll put a drop here, and drop here, and one last drop here, like that. Then I'll break the groove in.